Some of the big questions we often get in our shop are, should I fix my car or not? Is it worth fixing? Do I want a car payment? How long will my car continue to last? Some basic facts to consider when making this decision include the average age of a vehicle is 11.4 years, but many cars last 20 years or more. The average life of a car is 200 to 300,000 miles. The average new car price is $36,131, and a monthly car payment average is $479 for 5.5 years. So get the facts first. So what else can I do? You can have your car inspected by a certified professional. Get a diagnosis as to what needs to be repaired now to keep your car in good driving order. This will help you make the right decision to repair it or not. Review the inspection report with your repair facility to determine what needs to be done now and what can wait until later. Is it a major repair or several smaller ones? Are the repairs necessary because of previous neglect? If you've been thinking about getting a newer vehicle, this may be the time to do it without doing those repairs. Replacement costs. What is a newer vehicle like yours going to cost today? What is the monthly payment? Remember, a higher-end vehicle is worth investing in more than a cheaper model. Decision factors. The age of the car, replacement costs, costs of repairs needed. These are all factors to consider. Here are 3 examples of the calculations you should use in determining whether to keep your car and repair it or buy a new one. Take the cost of the repair and divide it by the cost of the replacement car note to determine how many months it will take you to pay off the cost of the repair. It's a hard decision, but make an educated one. It will be in your best interest. Do you want to keep old Betsy or get a new Betsy? Come in and we'd be glad to answer any questions you may have.